don't even have clothes. At this point, I have no choice than to do it. If you ask me personally, I like wearing no, but washing, I don't like it. I don't like washing clothes, but at this point, I have no choice but to wash. So they are my clothes, so those clothes are mine. But truth be told, for me, I don't like washing. But I love wearing clean clothes. There's no detail. Mm-hmm. Yes. What time I want to wash clothes and see? These clothes are plenty. Look at the other one there. I have to wash them now. That's why I want to do it fast so that I don't like to waste time when I'm washing clothes. Have to be fast so that I can do other things. This is a hand laundry. How do you do your laundry? Let me know how you do your laundry. You do your laundry like this. The way I'm doing mine, it's in the comment section. I must be honest with you. I can't lie. Yes, I have to be honest. What I don't like, I don't like. What I like, I like. So why should I even lie to anybody? That I enjoy washing clothes. I don't like washing clothes. For real, man. I must be honest with you guys, man. I have a bunch of them here to wash. I'm just giving little time. Do I have choice? I must wash you. If I don't wash, who will wash for me? You see? I forgot this thing. See? So don't waste it. Be honest. Do you like washing clothes? Just be honest. Don't lie to me. Or do you enjoy washing clothes? Well, some people they enjoy washing clothes. It's not everybody that hates washing clothes. Some people they enjoy. What you hate, some other person they enjoy doing it. So what do you know? If you be right in the comment section, if you enjoy washing your clothes, write in comment section. Comment section. I wanted to laugh. Yes. See, I can't do it. Yeah, my live stream now. I think I said something on this live stream. And the one was also you understand maybe it's coming behind. Yes. Don't get. Are you there? You hate watching clothes like me? Just write in the comment section, man. I will have time to watch it. That's great. Like, comment, and share. Let's know where you're watching from. Yeah, okay, so that's what I do. I sleep like 10. Although the network is very bad. My video is lagging right now. washing time. What are you doing this morning? Are you washing like me? Let me know in the comment section what you're doing right now. We are here live. Let's see. Well, if you're just joining this channel, right now I'm not doing any production for now. So for me to keep my channel busy, I have to be like streaming here while I prepare for my next production. So that's the reason why most of the time you see me streaming live. Some of you will be asking, why is it streaming live? It's because I still want to be connected to you guys. Not like you come, you see me today, tomorrow you will not see me. I don't want that. So that's the most reason why I'm always here. You want some ice cream to keep up with good energy that you guys has given me. Is it has or have given me? They have given me good energy. Let me just soak everything. So when I'm washing, I will wash everything at once. That's why it's big. The bath is big. So I gotta soak everything. I soak it. So sometimes you soak like this. Can I call this manual washing? Yeah, this is manual. Automatic washing is when you use washing machine. But now I don't use washing machine. Pastor, what was the young people now? I think the job this morning. She na like this we go dey. So one rough. Umbuga.
You should yeah.
Without time, I'm the street watching. Sure, I'm the
You need to.
You need fridge now.
What do you mean?
You never knew. Why you go to India? You know, but you are a quarter. It's angry. It's angry. Eh? Thank God, roof at all. You should catch you. Indoga. You should catch you. So, 13 people watching us. Wow. That's great. Oh well. Let's stream online. Listen, if you're watching, subscribe. Okay. So you see, you apply soap when this is good move. When the detergent is not enough, when you're washing, you apply soap. Some of you are watching, you don't even know how to wash. You're saying, is that how they wash? You don't even know how to use your hand and wash. Because you're always using what they call it, washing machine to wash. But this is a practical washing. I call it manual wash. What do you think? Nobody is commenting. Why? Abi, all of us, we know how to wash. So everybody here knows how to wash, yeah? Okay. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Hmm? Like, share. Someone say you hate washing, but why are you washing? My dear, at this point, butter and sugar. At this point, I have no choice than to wash. So, when you get to that point where you have no excuse, that you have to do what you need to do. That's the point I am right now. At this point in time, I have no excuse. I gotta do what I gotta do, man. Which is to wash. So I have to wash. Alright? Like I said, this is manual washing. You can even call it manual washing machine. Yeah. Or some people call it a hand washing machine. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing. I'm washing my clothes right now as we speak. Wow, we have 24 people watching us. Wow, that's good. Guys, please like, share. And people are watching. Nobody has ever liked this video. Why? This is my network. They're showing me that people have not liked the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe for more. For me to be connecting with my audience, I decided that I would just focus on this live streaming here for now, so that we have real connection with you guys, man. All the 20 people that are here watching me right now, I so much appreciate you. 24 people who are watching me, I so much appreciate you. When you come like this, it gives me joy. When I see people watching like this, I am happy. I know that, wow, I have good audience. And everybody on this live stream, just know that you are special. You're my VIP, right? You're my special VIP, and I love you all. You guys are the best. I love you all. Thank you for always coming to support me on this channel. Just imagine everybody just hit the subscribe button. The 25 people watching me, just go hit the subscribe button. That will go a long way, So anytime I'm washing, to a point I get tired, because sometimes anytime I'm washing, sometimes I have some cuts here, cuts here. So because of that, I don't like washing plenty clothes. But today I just decided, okay, let me just pack plenty and wash. Because anytime I'm washing, it's always affecting me, because holding like this, scrunching down, so it's clean. And when you're washing, it's very important you wash the neck of your shirt, you wash the armpit, and those hand here and the end here is very important, because those are the places where you normally find everything that is dirty on your clothes. So wash the neck, wash the neck like this, then you join it. See, you join like this. Okay, you join like this. Hold it. Then apply your soap. Here is where sweat normally comes out. So apply your soap like this. You understand? Hello, Young John. How are you? Thank you for saying hi. How are you? So you apply your soap, and when you are done, you hold it here, apply your soap again, you still wash it. I'm doing good. How about you, Mr. Young John? Young John, where are you watching us from? Young John. Is it Young John, the producer? Young John, where is old John? So the young one, where is the old one? So for your short knicker, for your trousers or short knicker, any one of them, you wash the waist here. See? You apply your soap. Young John, where are you watching from? Then you hold it together. Hold it like this. Hold it like this. Wash, wash, wash. Put it in the water. After that, at the back of your trouser, because most of you, your bum bum, you know what I mean. So you wash down here, so that if there's any stuff, and guys, this space, you wash it very well, so that sometimes you go to the toilet and then you forget to, you know what I mean. Yeah, I'm getting tired a bit, so I have to rush so that I'll get out of this place. That's what happened to me. Sometimes when I'm washing it, at a point, I'll just get tired. So when I get tired, I just apply the soap all over the clothes. Apply. Yes. Apply. but it's still clean up. Don't forget to close this up. Whew. God. Who sent me? Oh, who sent me? Come on, watch this. I don't know these dots. I don't know where it came from. So I'll apply a nut soap here. Let's so go. Then wash it thoroughly. You see? And when you wash it, you apply force. Can you see? It's clear. No, there are two. So there. This one. This one maybe. Young John, where are you watching from? When you watch at the point, okay, roti. So when you watch at the point, then you get tired. You start singing, even if you don't know the song. Yeah, you be singing. That person that liked the video, thank you for the like. This is one of my best shots, man. I love it. It feels comfortable when I wear it, so I love these shots. I love it so much. In the morning, early in the morning, I rise and praise the Lord. In the morning, early in the morning, I will rise and praise the Lord. In the morning, early in the morning, I rise and praise the Lord. In the morning, early in the morning, early in the morning. Yeah, everybody, thank you so much for joining me, washing with me through this washing journey. It's not easy when we started, but thank God we have come this far. I need to soak this singlet. Look at the way it's looking. It's very dirty. I don't know why the camera is like this. It's not clean the way I expect. I don't know what happened. But sorry for getting a blur image. I will adjust it next time. Alright? So sorry for that. So God, I'm tired. I beg. The wash clothes not be by force. The wash clothes not be by force, yeah. Yes, now. Is it by force to wash clothes? Tell me now. It is by force to wash clothes. Not by force. The wash clothes not be by force. That's all. Reverend sister. Reverend sister. I'm yesterday here. your body. Yeah. I know your body. I will run this city.